In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Bluehost email on Outlook. Let's dive into the process and make sure everything is set up perfectly to enhance your email management. To start, you'll first need to navigate to your cPanel dashboard. Once there, look for the Email section and locate the option named Forwarders. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can control the redirection of your emails to another account, which in our case will be Outlook. Now that you've clicked the Forwarders option, you'll need to proceed by selecting Continue to access the Forwarders section of the cPanel. This section is vital because it lets you manage where your emails are being forwarded with precision. From here, you'll want to add a new forwarder by clicking on Add Forwarder, which allows you to set up the exact parameters you need. What you'll do next is specify the email username you want to forward. This is the part of the email address that comes before the @ symbol. For example, if your email address is info@yourdomain.com, you would enter info. Make sure this matches exactly to ensure your emails get forwarded without issue. Then, select the appropriate domain from the drop-down menu to complete the first part of the setup. With your username and domain selected, the next area you'll need to focus on is the destination section. Here, you're given choices on where you want these emails to be sent. In this case, you should choose Forward to Email Address. This will allow you to enter your Outlook email address, such as your name at outlook.com, which will serve as the final landing place for all forwarded emails. Once you have entered your Outlook email address, double-check to ensure that there are no typos, as even a small mistake could mean lost emails. After confirming that the information is correct, click on the Add Forwarder button. This action saves all the settings and completes the setup process. And there you have it. Your Bluehost email is now configured to forward all communications to your Outlook email. This setup helps keep your emails organized and consolidates your communications, so you don't have to juggle between different platforms. With everything in place, your email management should become much smoother from here on out. If you run into any issues or need to make changes in the future, you can always revisit the Forwarders section in cPanel to tweak settings as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!